So, Rusty with Springfield Leather.
Liz.
I thought we'd take a minute, Liz, and inform the world more fully on some of the things we've been alluding to with the growth that we're experiencing and some of the plans that we've got in the works.
Yeah, 2019 has been a really exciting year for us.
Wow, it's been a crazy year. It has been a very evolving year, I guess might be a way to put it.
Yeah.
You know, things are really starting to take shape into a manner of us working towards efficiency, us working towards being able to offer more products, being able to work in the quote-unquote Amazon world in time frames of shipping and order turnover, all the way down to expanding our building locations. So
that's right.
If you follow us on Facebook or any of the other books on the internets or the grams, you possibly came across a post where they took a picture of a receipt where I bought a bag of cat food and an apple. It's not all that uncommon for me to buy an apple.
No.
But the cat food.
It's a little unique.
Not just a little. I love dogs. But we have bought another building. It is about 7 or 8 minutes across town from our current location. We are not moving our current location.
No.
We have been storing in 9-foot ceiling, 20-foot wide buildings for as long as I've been a part of this company, in storage units and trailers, and trying to track things down and keep track of it. So we've bought a just shy of 13,000 square foot building, 18-foot high ceilings. When we bought it, it had 9 or 10 offices in the front of it. And we have meticulously, one by one, taken those apart. We have salvaged all the materials that we can because we want to do a little remodeling in some of this buildings that we're in so that we can rent those out and have some more craft style businesses around us, hopefully.
Yep.
We have replaced the roof on this thing. We have deconstructed. I've got some pictures. Unfortunately, they're my cell phone pictures, but I think they're going to put together something, and I'm sure these guys can make it look cool. So we're very excited. Liz, what's our initial goal? What are we going to do first in this building?
We're going to organize all the leather that we buy. So if you guys don't know it, we buy a lot of odd lot things. This guy and Kevin, they get phone calls every day with people have this and people have that and people have 10,000 feet over here and
50,000 feet.
50,000 feet over here.
That one.
And I got, a couple thousand pounds of scraps. Whatever it is, they buy it.
You know what the last batch was?
I don't want to know.
42,000 pounds of scrap upholstery.
Yeah.
42,000 pounds. If you're not familiar with what that looks like, it looks like 32 Gaylords, 4 by 4 by 4, stacked on top of each other in the back of an entirely loaded 53-foot semi, which we now can get up to a dock. We have a dock. We have roll-up doors. We have space. We have a parking lot. I'm so excited. It's
pretty exciting. This guy's been over there probably for the last 3 months. About pretty much.
So if you've tried to get a hold of me on the phone and I haven't been here, I'm really sorry. That's where I'm at.
Yeah.
We have gone through this thing with a fine-tooth comb.
And so it's going to be, hopefully it'll make our lives easier on the back end in organizing all of our finds and being able to offer them in a little bit more of a quicker time frame for the public to purchase them so that we'll be able to find what we store and it'll be visible and it won't be in like 20.
Find it.
Find it. It won't be in 20 different places. Maybe in this storage unit across town. Maybe in the coffee shop or the tattoo shop. If you've ever been here and we've given you the tour, we have those places.
So basically what's happened is we've purchased buildings whatever they were before we purchased them is now
what they
how we
are.
refer to them. So we've got the coffee shop, the tattoo shop, we have the West Wing, we have the South Warehouse.
Yeah.
That's not fun.
No.
That was Winslow's. You remember? It used to be Winslow's, a
I
little
don't remember.
health food grocery store.
Everybody talks about it though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So, we wanted to let you guys know that we've got some exciting stuff going on for 2020, and we are expanding and growing so that we can serve you better. And so we're just really excited about the possibilities that it will bring.
we are extremely excited about the possibilities. The hope that we really have is like Liz said, it makes things easier on the back end. If it's easier for us, then it's easier for you.
Yep.
Check out our video of the slideshows and the pictures, and that's it.
That's what we
Wish
got.
you well. See ya.
Bye.